The strength of the FX1 D diesel mode. A customer asks for car washing and waxing. With the existing product, he had to adjust steam with a hot lever. After managing to finish steam washing, he also had to do waxing. Before he completes the job, his customer arrives and he feels so embarrassed. Now is the time for Quick Steamer STEAMJET. The product not only makes it easy to adjust steam, but it also shoots out steam and waxing liquid at the same time, doing washing and waxing at the same time with single action.
네, 끝났습니다.
Its fast and complete washing satisfies your customer. Complete washing requires a washer to adjust humidity according to a vehicle's degree of pollution and to the atmosphere's dryness. Quick Steamer STEAMJET can adjust the humidity of steam in 4 steps to wash cars completely and to satisfy your customers. It is also easy to adjust steam. The existing products adjust the humidity of steam by opening and closing a lateral valve and mixing hot water. Quick Steamer STEAMJET has a level switch adjusting humidity, helping you adjust the humidity of steam easily. All of this is controlled meticulously, precisely by a microprocessor. Moreover, STEAMJET's diesel-type product and gas-type one can shoot out steam and wax at the same time. It is possible to spray the steam of the humidity suitable for the car wash at a high pressure and apply the wax at the same time. It can be steam car wash and coating, so it is the same effect to get 2 birds with 1 stone. This one and only function in the world has attracted global buyers. The product's original and innovative system will satisfy your customers. The world's safest, most economical, and most convenient steam car washer, Quick Steamer STEAMJET. Experience a revolution in car washing with a wise choice. Your choice will prove its worth.